Here I have Xiaomi Mi Max 3 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and pick screen lock and password, and now you have to go to add fingerprint, the first icon. And here it's time to select the backup for your fingerprint, so it can be either pattern, pin code or password. So if you have to remember the password, because if you will forget it, you will have to erase all data on your device to set a new one, so it's not worth it. So let me pick, for example, pattern as the backup. Remember your lock screen, so okay, we read this notification, I got it. Now you have to draw this pattern that you would like to have, for example this one more time to confirm it. And now it's time to add your fingerprint. So you have turned your device around and place your finger at the sensor. So the sensor is over here, as you can notice it, and you just have to keep tapping. You have to put this finger and slightly keep tapping. And that's it. The fingerprint has been added. Tap on done. You can obviously add a new one, but I think one is enough. So as you can see now, easily, without any other codes, you can unlock your screen just by tapping with your finger on the sensor. And that's it. Now your device has been activated. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.